Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow glitter tumbler like this one. The first step is going to be sanding a tumbler like this. So as you can see, I've already sanded it. So it's all scratched up and ready for spray paint. These are the beautiful colors I'm going to be using on this rainbow cup. Bubblegum, Sun Coral, Magic School Bus, Radioactive, Blue Sky, and Tangled. All of these glitters are from the Glitter Guy, and I am so excited to use them on this cup. They are all the fine cut, the 0.010 size of glitter. And let's see, half of them are rainbow iridescence, and half of them are high sparkling iridescence. I was planning on using chunky glitters for this cup, but even with all this glitter, I don't have a chunky glitter for each color. So I am using fine cuts. Okay, now I have my cup spray painted white. I decided to just work on white rather than trying to spray paint all the different colors around the cup. So now at this point, I am going to do a very light layer of epoxy over the cup, and then I am going to apply each glitter, and I think I'm going to do them in a diagonal, similar to this one. Okay, this cup has been curing and turning for probably like 6 hours, I'd say. And it is just so beautiful. I am obsessed with it. It reminds me of Lisa Frank. I love it so much. The colors are so bright. So at this point, I'm going to let it dry a little bit longer, and tomorrow I will sand it a tiny bit and do another layer of epoxy over it. All right, here is the cup now. It's pretty smooth. All I need to do is lightly sand it a little bit and then put another layer over it of epoxy. And then I could put someone's name on it. I would probably do it diagonal over the colors. And then it's finished.